Hey everyone, it's Omkar here, founder of Athletes World, and today I have Devraj with me, who has been a great client of mine and has achieved some amazing results in the 12-week program. So, Devraj, can you just introduce yourself a little bit and tell everyone where do you live at the moment, what are you doing, and when exactly did you start taking your health seriously?
So, hey guys, my name is Devraj Chaudhary. Right now, I'm living in the USA. I'm a master's student. I'm pursuing my master's in electrical engineering, and I started taking my health more seriously during the pandemic. This was around the month of December last year, and uh, and yeah, so because like since the pandemic, we were at home and we weren't going out much. Everything was on Zoom. So I felt like I was putting on some weight, and hence I thought I needed to reduce it a little bit. And that's why I started taking my health and my diet more seriously.
So, Devraj, what kind of problems or challenges were you facing before you approached me?
So the problems I was facing were it wasn't that serious, but in retrospect, like I wasn't able to go to the gym because the gyms were closed due to the pandemic, and then like to eat food like I used to eat I didn't used to eat healthy since I had school. I just used to eat like whatever I could find on campus in the food courts, and then when I came back home, it was just some sort of fast food, just because it's food, and hence like I would say these are the problems I was facing. Like the major problem I would say that I was facing was that I wasn't serious before, but yeah.
Okay. Okay. So, uh, Devraj, when we got on a call after that, when you booked the call and we got on a call, so what all did we discuss on that call? Can you just recall it?
So what we discussed was Omkar was trying to figure out the best diet for myself, and hence we discussed my daily routine. Then what did I used to eat before, and how did I manage my like what was my time schedule, and yes, so we discussed these things. Basically, we discussed my life, so so that Omkar could prescribe a routine for me.
Yeah. So, another question, another follow-up question is, Devraj, was that call valuable for you?
Yes, that call was pretty valuable for me because when we discuss my schedule or like what I used to eat before, like I slowly realized like, oh, like it's not healthy. And and so yes, I think that call was pretty valuable. It was like an eye opener in a certain manner.
Okay. Good to know. So, Devraj, before joining the program, can you remember how much did you weigh approx?
So before joining the program, I weighed around 184 pounds.
Okay. And after the course of 12 weeks, what was your weight?
So after the course of 12 weeks, my weight was around 167 pounds.
That's amazing, Devraj. And now I think it has been about a few months since I think you have completed this program, right? So, how have these few months been like? Have you been able to maintain your weight and fitness, or how is the situation right now?
So yes, I will say that I have been able to maintain my weight. In fact, uh, if anything, I reduced a little bit more. Since I had the diet routine, I tried to follow it. I couldn't like, of course, I wasn't able to follow it to the T, but I tried to keep up with the schedule. And right now, I checked my weight last night actually. It was 165 pounds.
Okay. That's great. So, reducing weight is one thing, and maintaining it for so long is another thing, and that is even more important. And that is what most people or most programs fail to achieve or offer. And I'm really happy to know that you are able to maintain your fitness. So, Devraj, I have one final question for you. Okay, before that, I would like to conclude that uh, whatever we have been talking, so by that, can I conclude that you were living alone in the United States in this pandemic? You were doing your cooking and everything alone. You were not able to go to the gym, but with maybe home workouts, light workouts, whatever we had discussed, you were able to achieve these amazing results with the help of all these things, right?
Yes. So yes, that is true because I mean I had roommates, but like I didn't know them at that time. And so yes, basically like one could say that I live alone because I cooked my own food. I did most of the things by myself. So yes, I was like alone in the USA.
Okay. So you have achieved such amazing results. I'm really happy about that. And so, Devraj, my final question for you is like, do you have any last words for athletes world, or do you have anything to say to the people who are thinking whether to join this program or not?
Definitely, I would recommend you people to join this program because Omkar is a great person and he will, when he talks with you, he will try to analyze your daily routine, your schedule, and then he will prescribe a plan that is just for yourself. And if you are serious enough and if you really believe that you can lose weight, you will lose weight because if you follow that program and you maintain your diet, you do the workouts, and the workouts are not crazy like they are not intense is my point. So if you are serious enough, I think you should join this because you will be able to reach your goal.
So a very important point over here, guys, that as Devraj is saying, you really need to be serious and you need to commit to this program and you will definitely see results. So that was a great point, Devraj. And thank you so much for your kind words and thanks again for taking out the time for this interview.
Definitely, Omkar, it was great talking with you.